A Child Custody Explained, Global Case Laws, Parental Rights and Practical Advice Introduction. Child custody battles can be emotionally draining and legally complex, especially when they cross international borders. But what exactly is child custody? How do different courts around the world handle it? And what famous case laws have shaped custody rights? In this video, I'll simplify the legal aspects of child custody, highlight major international case laws, and offer clear advice for parents facing custody disputes. Whether you're in Europe, the UK, or elsewhere, this is your complete guide. Let's get started. 1. What is child custody? Child custody is the legal relationship between a parent and a child, specifically the right to care for and make decisions on their behalf. It typically falls into two categories: physical custody, where the child lives; legal custody, who makes key decisions like education, religion, and healthcare. In most European countries like Germany, Sweden, and the Netherlands, joint custody is favored, meaning both parents share responsibilities. However, in some situations, sole custody may be granted to one parent. 2. Global legal principles and court factors. When courts decide who gets custody, they focus on the best interests of the child. This includes the child's emotional and physical needs, each parent's ability to provide care, the child's own wishes, especially in the UK and Scandinavian countries, any history of abuse or neglect. Now let's look at famous case laws that changed the way courts view custody worldwide. 3. Famous international case laws. Gaskin v. Fis, United Kingdom, 1989 European Court of Human Rights. This case emphasized a child's right to know their personal and family history, influencing how courts view the child's identity and emotional well-being in custody disputes. Neulenjurek v. Switzerland, 2010 ECHR. This case stressed that returning a child to another country must not violate the child's fundamental rights, even under international treaties like the Hague Convention. Troxel v. Granville, 2000 U.S. Supreme Court. The court upheld a parent's fundamental right to make decisions about their children, even against grandparents' visitation claims, strengthening parental autonomy. Hague Convention cases, multiple. This international treaty helps return children wrongfully taken by one parent across borders. In cases like Manaski v. Taglieri, 2020 U.S., the court focused on the child's habitual residence, a key factor in international custody cases. Ray, Children, 2007, Echelon 55 UK House of Lords. The court emphasized swift return under the Hague Convention unless serious harm could result to the child, balancing international cooperation and child safety. 4. Real-world example. Jolie versus Pitt, a high-profile custody case that spanned multiple countries. Allegations of misconduct, media pressure, and child preferences made it messy. But the court kept focus on the best interests of the children, an important lesson for any parent. 5. Advice for parents in custody disputes. Here are some powerful, practical steps. Stay child-focused. Avoid emotional outbursts and think long-term. Document everything. Keep records of time spent with the child, communications, and expenses. Use mediation first. Most European systems prefer amicable solutions over litigation. Hire a family law expert, especially if your case involves multiple countries. Conclusion and call to action. Child custody law is evolving, and understanding your rights is the first step to protecting your child's future. We've covered the key principles, international cases, and practical tips. Now it's your turn. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and drop your thoughts or questions in the comments. Have a case you want me to explain? Let me know below. And don't forget to subscribe for more legal insights on custody, divorce, and family law. Because knowledge is your greatest legal weapon. Odizent?